It's an absolute honor to be standing here today to celebrate World Quantum Day, a day that reminds us not only of the wonders of sciences but also of immense possibilities that lie ahead when curiosity meets innovation. World Quantum Day is something truly remarkable. It is celebrated each year on 14th April. The date April 14th is chosen as a reference to the rounded first digits of Planck's constant, that is 4.14 electron volt seconds. The year 2025 is marked as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. This day aims to engage the public in the understanding and discussion of this field. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is quantum? It is related to energy, which is known to propagate in form of waves. Energy, like light or heat, travels in form of electromagnetic waves. Initially, energy was considered continuous, means it can have any analog value. In the year 2000, Max Planck assumed that energy comes in packets called quanta, or a singular is quantum. The word quantum refers to the discrete form of energy, oftenly called as photon, as shown here. The quantum or photon can be understood as a packet of energy. The energy E of each photon is expressed as E is equal to h nu, where h is the fundamental constant governing quantum physics and known as Planck's constant. Quantum science explores the smallest building blocks of our universe. These tiny particles like electrons, atoms, behave in a ways that challenge our everyday understanding of reality. In the quantum world, a particle can be in two places at once. Two particles can be instantly connected even when they are miles apart. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it's real. And quantum mechanics replaces the certainty of classical physics with probabilities, meaning we can only predict the likelihood of a particle being in a certain state, rather than knowing its precise location or momentum. The development of quantum physics started as a strange curiosity in the early 20th century, led by pioneers like Einstein, Niels Bohr, Schrödinger, and Heisenberg, which has now become the foundation of the technological revolution. Today, quantum physics powers everyday technologies like lasers, MRI machines, semiconductors, and now we are stepping into the future of quantum computers, quantum encryption, and quantum sensors that may one day transform everything from medicine to climate science. But World Quantum Day is not just about science. It's about curiosity. It's about embracing the unknown, pushing boundaries, and inspiring future generations to ask bold questions. To these students, this is your time to explore, to dream, and to lead. The responsibility of educators and researchers here is to lighten the path forward. And to everyone of us are the part of this journey, because the quantum future is one we all share. So let's continue to wonder, to learn, and to imagine, because the universe is far more fascinating than we ever thought possible. Happy World Quantum Day, and may the quantum curiosity continue. Thank you for watching.